What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. What's up again on this Instagram Live? It's about the rain. Yup. I know y'all hear that wind. Do y'all hear that wind? Yes, indeed. My my church is live. How you doing? All right, my church is live, y'all. So I'm going live and stuff like that, you know. So here we go, y'all. It's a cloudy day. I guess it's gonna be raining hard. Probably a tornado warning or whatever, you know. Okay. So they say during the tornadoes, stay away from windows. Be in a safe place, you know. All right. So I'll try my best to stay safe, y'all. So y'all see the clouds and stuff like that, you know. Focus camera, thank you. All right. So I'm gonna be doing chilling. All right. So that's all to it, y'all. I'm gonna be chilling in here. I'm not gonna do no gameplays today. I'll probably do it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Who knows? Okay. Supposed to be getting my hair cut again. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. All right. All right, about to go inside before it rains, and I'm gonna be back outside when it rains. Okay. Hopefully the power don't go out though. All right, so that's all I gotta say. See y'all later when it rains.